Oh, let's look at this. Oh man, look at this. Well, I mean, obviously it's happened before, but I just thought you could finally see it on video, like closer. That's neat, eh? I've always wanted to do a video of the rain. I missed the really good stuff because it was really coming down. Oh man, something's coming through right here. Oops. Just yesterday I was talking about floods. That's funny. Well, anyway. I had my shoes on, so I can do this here. Let's see here. It's right here. Oh. I just can't see the areas that are gonna be dirty now from my shoes coming in here. Too lazy to pull out the Swiffer. Cheap too. Wow, let's pick it up now actually. Time is 11:30 a.m. in Daytona Beach, Florida. And I just thought of something. I was looking at my wrinkles up here. On the forehead, for some reason, it shows that you've got heavy metals. And it was just the only really thing I could think of that I've been doing that would cause that continuously doing is this coffee. The way it's grinded, whatever, it can catch fumes from certain heavy metals. I make rice. Let's get you turning around. Hey, girls. That's the coffee. This is my. I mean, I don't have much. I mean, obviously I'm moving, but let me just show you that's just on the. Oh, hot burner. Keep it hot, kind of. Sure how much I can take at that. So, I guess the whole point here was just to dude sleeping on a couch. Oh shit, yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, we got some problems. We got flooding already. This is why people are moving. They're scared of this. To me, you can actually make money on this. It's how capitalism works. Oh shit. Yeah, we got some serious flooding here. This just started coming down too. It's pouring. We out.